The power of successful habits. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English Listening Journey. Today, we are going to explore the habits that lead to success. Success is not just about talent or luck. It's about daily habits that shape our future. Let's dive into the inspiring journey of a man who changed his life by developing powerful habits. Meet Michael, the ordinary man with big dreams. Michael was an ordinary man working a regular job. He always dreamed of success, but he struggled to achieve his goals. Every day felt the same. Waking up late, rushing to work, feeling exhausted, and never having enough time to do what he truly wanted. He wanted to start a business, get fit, and learn new skills, but he never took action. One day, he realized that successful people didn't just rely on motivation. They built habits that helped them grow every day. Michael decided to make a change. He studied the habits of highly successful people and slowly started implementing them in his life. He knew it wouldn't be easy, but he was determined to break free from his old routine and build a better future for himself. Morning routine, the first step to success. Michael realized that mornings set the tone for the entire day. Instead of waking up late and feeling rushed, he decided to start waking up at 5 a.m. At first, it was difficult, but he stayed consistent. His morning routine included meditation and gratitude. He spent 10 minutes in silence, focusing on gratitude and setting a positive mindset for the day. Exercise, a short workout to energize his body and keep him healthy. Reading, he read at least 10 pages of a book related to personal growth or business. Planning the day, he wrote down his top priorities to stay focused and productive. After following this routine for a few weeks, he noticed a huge difference. He felt more in control of his life, more energetic, and ready to take on challenges. His productivity increased, and he started feeling happier and more motivated to achieve his goals. The habit of continuous learning. Michael knew that knowledge was power. Instead of wasting time on social media or watching TV, he committed to learning something new every day. He listened to audiobooks while commuting, watched educational videos, and took online courses to improve his skills. As months passed, his knowledge grew, and so did his confidence. He became more valuable at his job, and soon he was promoted. But Michael didn't stop there. He started his own side business using the skills he had learned, and slowly, he built an additional source of income. At first, his business was small, and progress was slow. He faced challenges, made mistakes, and even thought about giving up. But he reminded himself that success takes time and effort. He kept learning, improving, and working on his goals. Over time, his business grew, and he realized that the habit of continuous learning was one of the keys to success. Time management, eliminating distractions. One of Michael's biggest struggles was procrastination. He often wasted time scrolling through social media or watching TV instead of working on his goals. To overcome this, he implemented these strategies. The Pomodoro Technique, working in focused 25-minute sessions followed by short breaks. Blocking distractions, turning off notifications, and using apps that limit screen time. Setting clear goals, writing down his goals for the week, and breaking them into small tasks. With better time management, Michael became more productive and efficient. He had more time to work on his business, spend time with family, and take care of his health. He learned that every minute wasted was a step further from his dreams. His improved time management skills also helped him at work. His boss noticed his efficiency and dedication, leading to another promotion. Michael started feeling more in control of his life, and the success he had always dreamed of seemed closer than ever. The power of discipline and consistency. Michael understood that success doesn't come overnight. He focused on building discipline, doing what needed to be done, even when he didn't feel like it. Some days were tough, but he pushed through, reminding himself of his bigger vision. He developed the habit of setting weekly and monthly goals, tracking his progress, and making adjustments when needed. He realized that discipline wasn't about being perfect, but about showing up every day and making small improvements. His discipline paid off. Within a year, his business grew significantly, he became financially independent, and he had more freedom to do what he loved. More importantly, he felt proud of himself for never giving up, overcoming challenges, and staying motivated. Michael's journey was not easy. He faced setbacks, failures, and moments of doubt. There were times when he felt like giving up, but he found ways to stay motivated. Surrounding himself with positive people, he connected with successful and motivated individuals who inspired him. Celebrating small wins, instead of waiting for big achievements, he celebrated every small success along the way. Visualizing his goals every morning, he imagined the life he wanted, which kept him focused and determined. He realized that challenges were part of the journey, and instead of seeing them as obstacles, he treated them as learning opportunities. With this mindset, he was able to keep moving forward and achieve even bigger goals. Lessons from Michael's journey. 1. Your mornings shape your day. Start with positive habits to set the right mindset. 2. Never stop learning. Knowledge will always give you an advantage. 3. Manage your time wisely. Focus on what matters and eliminate distractions. 4. Stay disciplined. Success comes to those who stay consistent and never give up. 5. Embrace challenges. See failures as lessons and keep moving forward. 6. Surround yourself with positivity. The right environment can make a big difference in your success. Michael's story shows us that success is not about luck or talent. It's about daily habits. Small changes lead to big results. Start building good habits today, and over time, you will see incredible transformations in your life. Thank you for watching English Listening Journey. If you enjoyed this story, please like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.